not only because we celebrate our clinical graduation, but also because we recognize the hard work, perseverance, and dedication that have guided us to reach this moment of success. As I stand here to represent the diploma in midwifery batch 2024, I am filled with gratitude for the people who have supported us on this difficult but rewarding journey. We would like to express our sincere appreciation to our Honorable Governor Emil Hernandez, and Provincial Administrator Attorney Dulce H. Rabanal. Your dedication to support, enhance our schools, and provide opportunities to realize our dreams through free education and excellent services have greatly inspired us to succeed. To our esteemed Laguna University President, Dr. Moneb O. Bato, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Rosemary D. Sabado. Thank you for your untiring commitment and vision to give the best education we all deserve. To our Dean of College of Health Sciences, Dr. Rosalie D. Bobado. Thank you for your encouragement and expertise that have made us compassionate professionals. You may not know, we may not know we may not be aware of all the efforts and time you've spent working tirelessly to ensure that we have everything we need. But we want you to know that we are so grateful for all that you've done for us. Your leadership and visionary guidance have been instrumental to our success. To Honorable Guest Speaker, Ms. Aida Bagayan-Gayon, thank you for sharing your remarkable and inspiring message. We will cherish the wisdom and insights we learned from you. To our clinical supervisor, Ms. Lourdes V. Coronado, thank you for your significant contribution to the success of the College of Health Sciences. Your unwavering support throughout our clinical journey has been invaluable. So our program coordinator, Ms. Darren R. Rocco, thank you for everything you have done. From sharing your inspiring experiences to offering thoughtful advices. Your hard work, determination,